After talking with Dorna, we decided to make some changes. We will make pit stops. The question is, which type will be done? The first one was the classic jump pit stop. Box, box, box! Get ready for a nice jump! Perfect jump! My riders overtook you! Also, we thought about changing tires. Wow! I think I will do the same. Hey! Come here! That bike is still mine! Hey! And finally, we thought about the surprise pit stop. Surprise pit stop? Yes, try it and you will see. Hey, wow! I like this change! Now it's my turn! Yay! Thanks, Louis! Hey! Oh, what a cheater! Hey, Vale, do you need any advice with the new rules?
Hey minifan, you want more content of the minis? Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. You will see exclusive content like special comics and avatars. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to press the like button and leave us a comment. If you haven't done, support us on Patreon and click the subscribe button. See you on the next Grand Prix!